In this video, I will show how to create physical inventory count sheet in Microsoft Word. So click on More Templates, search here Inventory. Now here you will see physical inventory count sheet. Select it, then click on Create. Track your physical inventory with this Accessible template. It features a table with inventory number, item description, purchase price, quantity, and location column. Create. Now here you can make changes as you need. Inventory number. Enter your inventory number here. Item description, purchase price and quantity, location. Enter your sheet number, your name, here department and date, and your signature. So this is the ready to use template. You can make changes as your requirement. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.